Hey Wealth Wave fam! Are you ready for a wave of opportunity? Because Web3 is back, and it's bigger than ever. Investments are surging, and venture capitalists are scrambling to get a piece of the action. But here's the burning question: are you ready to ride this wave to wealth? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to position yourself for maximum profit in the booming world of Web3. Let's talk numbers, folks. Web3 investments skyrocketed by a whopping 55% in the first quarter of 2024. That's right, 55%. Venture capitalists are throwing money at Web3 projects like never before. This is a clear signal that the industry is maturing, and the potential for massive returns is becoming undeniable. So, the question isn't if you should get involved, but how. Now, you might be wondering, which sectors within Web3 are attracting the most attention? Well, two areas are dominating the investment landscape: artificial intelligence and gaming. Imagine immersive gaming experiences powered by AI, where you can actually own and trade your in-game assets. That's the future Web3 is building, and it's a future you can be a part of. Let's talk about some real-world examples. Paradigm, a leading crypto VC firm, just dropped a massive $225 million investment into Monad Labs, a project building a next-gen blockchain network. And that's not all. Early-stage startups like Barricane and Zero G Labs are also attracting millions in funding. This shows that investors are betting big on the future of Web3, and you should too. Here's something interesting: seed funding rounds have seen the biggest jump in investment. This means VCs are increasingly interested in early-stage projects with high growth potential. So, if you're looking for opportunities, keep your eyes peeled for promising startups in the Web3 space. Getting in early could lead to exponential returns down the line. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the Bitcoin halving. This major event is expected to drive significant interest and investment into the crypto space. And guess what? Web3 projects are perfectly positioned to benefit from this surge in attention. The halving is like a rocket booster for the entire crypto ecosystem, and Web3 is strapped in for the ride. Remember Mizo, the Bitcoin Layer 2 network we mentioned earlier? They just secured a $21 million series of funding round. This shows that investors are actively seeking ways to leverage the power of Bitcoin within the Web3 ecosystem. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is another area experiencing explosive growth. Imagine earning interest on your crypto holdings without relying on traditional banks. That's the power of DeFi, and it's just one example of how Web3 is revolutionizing the financial landscape. So, how can you get involved in this Web3 revolution? First, do your research. Learn about the different projects and sectors within the Web3 space. Second, consider investing in promising startups or established projects with strong fundamentals. And finally, stay informed. Keep up with the latest trends and developments in the Web3 world. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the fast-paced world of Web3, staying ahead of the curve is key to success. Now, back to the question I asked at the beginning: are you ready to ride this wave to wealth? If the answer is yes, then hit that like button and let me know in the comments below which Web3 sector excites you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Wave U for more insights on building your financial future.